Hello, I'm an engineer for Zhuhai's CTC Electronic. I'm not only an engineer, but I'm also a 3D printing enthusiast. 3D printing has really transformed the lives of designers. 3D printing, however, has become monotonous. What we need to do now is to create other functions of 3D printing. For example, we have designed a machine that can have 4 functions: CNC lathing, laser PCB, laser engraving, and 3D printing.
I don't know, it's kind of blown my mind away. Being an engineer, I've always liked new technology. I've always stood on the shoulders of the latest trend, the latest fashion when it comes to innovation and creativity.
We're proud to say that we've hit a milestone. What we've done is we've been able to put the 4 functions into one machine. This is called the Formaker.
And I found that Formaker is the thing that is redefining our world as we know it.
Not only is Formaker an excellent 3D desktop printer, which can print virtually any design, Formaker is also a CNC lathe, which can process various materials, such as brass, aluminum, plastic, and hardwood.
You could also use a laser PCB, which cuts hard material with a fine laser. And it's very, very sharp and can cut through many different things that an ordinary drill or knife cannot cut.
The Formaker also has a laser engraving function, which allows you to cut out very precise designs on soft materials such as wood and paper. One of the best aspects about Formaker is you don't have to be an engineer to use it. Anybody can use it. It's user-friendly, it comes with full complete instructions, with a full LCD screen, and very professional software that can guide you through the process of becoming an engineer and designer of your own. Formaker is built with a stainless steel frame. It's got a very strong structure and a very simple design and appearance, which makes the machine very simple and easy to work with interchangeable parts and easily replaceable parts.
I tell you, I'm just amazed at this product, and I'm amazed at what is being done with this machine. So if you're interested, I would say give it a shot.
You can turn your office at home or in the workplace into a manufacturing center, into a designing house. You have many opportunities with this machine to create and develop your own ideas. Most of these functions will cost separately $800 to $1,000. However, with this machine, you can get 4 functions for only $1,000. Don't lose this opportunity.